It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And this movie, I specifically chose this movie to do it today because this is a very touching movie because it is also going on in real life. But it's not like the other movie where I did on the university admission. This is happening daily, even every second of every minute. People log into the dark web, and sometimes even your kids, your nieces or nephews may log into the dark web without you knowing. So this that's why I chose to do this movie today. So this movie is called Dark Web Cicada 3301. So this guy has been arrested by the NSA for his alleged involvement with the secretive organization known as Cicada 3301. Hacker Connor testifies in front of the United States Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Court about the events that transpired. And so Connor explained that 29 days earlier, he inadvertently found, let me rephrase it. He had inadvertently found the organization's recruitment game, which requires participants to solve a series of puzzles in order to join. Strong-armed by the NSA to help them shut down Cicada, Connor takes part in the game alongside Gwen, a librarian seeking to be recruited, and his best friend. I do not know how to pronounce this name. Avi, Avi. Avi sounds prettier than Evi. So the three succeeded in finding clues to the puzzle, but after nearly being killed by another group of participants, Gwen and Evi drops out of the game. Connor, however, continues the game and eventually causes a massive power outage, earning him an invitation to Cicada's private party in England. So, jumping to the end, at the conclusion of Connor's testimony, the judge find fault in NSA's tactics, but also informed Connor that he has incriminated himself in several felonies. However, Connor also acknowledging his testimony was not accurate, revealing that he has begun to leak the private documents about government officials that he downloaded. Connor threatened to continue leaking information unless he receives $1 million for each document, and Evi is released from custody. His extortion is successful, and Connor uses his new finances to assist others, and he receives a message from Gwen, who is now a member of Cicada. So this is a brand new movie that just came out. So I really suggest you guys go and watch it if you want to see the full movie. So yeah.
What? I don't like that one. Wow, I thought you liked that one. bitters in there and everything.
Tastes like soup.
What?
Nice soup.
Right.
No tipping.